Welcome to tea time. I thought I'd bring y'all something different today. We'll come outside for a little while and just listen to the beauty. Y'all hear that? Just the beauty of the simplicity of the simple things in life. Oh my gosh. It doesn't get better than that. But I wanted to share something with you guys. Get your tea, your coffee, your smoothie, your water, your orange juice, or whatever it is that you partake in the morning, in the AM, to wake you up, to boost you up. My daughter said something to me yesterday, or the day before yesterday, about, well, she actually made me realize something. And this is for all of you guys that are easygoing, good people, good-spirited. There's a butterfly over there. I'm sorry, it caught my attention. Maybe it'll fly over here. But you guys who are easy-spirited, I'm gonna turn y'all around too so y'all can just see what I'm saying. Easy-spirited, easygoing, and don't take matters into your own hand and just let the Lord fight your battles and just deal with life the way that we should deal with it, instead of like getting revenge on people, doing things to people, being ugly to people. She mentioned to me that the reason why I face some of the things that I face is because you're on a different level than others, and you're not doing what other people do. And it really bothers others. So they'll try to do anything they can to get up underneath your skin, and you still don't give them the time of the day. So with that, you're going to be, things like that are going to come to you. And I had to think about how, what does it say? As the last should be first. But before that, it's the first should be last and the last should be first. So basically, the people who think they're getting over and they're doing things maliciously to others and treating people ugly and just living like cheating on you. It could be cheating on you. It could be lying on you. It could be stealing from you. It could be all those things that are like very wicked and vindictive. Narcissistic behaviors, how you just all kinds of things, that how people are living these days. Being selfish. Basically, what she was saying is that we are still supposed to live like that and live the way He wants us to live. And the last, like people will think we're the last. We will be the first. And I was like, oh wait, I was like, you're right. How did I forget that? And I'm going to share it with you guys. So guys, that is my tea time for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to turn this camera around and just let y'all just listen to what I can hear. All right? Hey, I want to show y'all. Look what's coming up. Cilantro, and here's the time. You guys, look what else. I just showed y'all the other day. Look at these. Split leaf Anisonii. Look how well she's doing. Let me turn the light on. Y'all see? Look at that. These babies right here. That's like 3 right there. And then all of these. All right, y'all, real quick outfit of the day. Here are my cold slick pants that I hauled from the bins on Sunday. Very casual. Has like that little thing right here. I guess if you have a pouch. But I just double layers t-shirt with the pants. But outfit of the day. So y'all, look. These are all the things that I'm letting go to the church. These are the ones I wear all the time, the black ones with the waisted top. And these are those Brooklyn hipsters. And here is Everlast, like bra thing, going. Now, you guys see this right here? I really like this, y'all. I really do. But it is another form of decor, right? So, isn't the mirror decor? Isn't this tray decor? So, I am going to out with this. I know, y'all probably like, Sonia, come on. I'm going to out with this. Beautiful, beautiful, y'all. But I'm going to out with it, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to replace it with. Hold on. See, I already have things in your own home. Use what you have. This is pretty decor, but it's a flower. So it takes the place of the vase, and it takes the place of the pampas grass. And it's natural, guys. So, yeah. I can always put little legs on it, little feet on it, so it won't scratch the dress. I'll probably do it when I come back, though. But I'll show you what it looks like. I love it. I don't know. I was looking at it the other day, and I kept saying I want to make a change. But that is what it looks like. Y'all, this is decor. This is decor. So these won't be staying here. But I just wanted to show y'all. What do y'all think? I absolutely like it. So we're going to go in the kitchen, and I'm going to show you what I've done in there. And I got something to show you in the back room as well. All right, guys, really quick, because I really have to go and push for time. So I'm going to show you really quick what I did in here. I took down those two vases that were here, and I'm going to show you where I put them. I placed them right here. I think they are beautiful. And I stuck the candles because the candles didn't fit in the other one. So I stuck them in here. Guys, I like that. I like it all by itself. It looks very, very sleek. It looks very simple and looks very modest. So y'all let me know what y'all think. So we're going to go ahead on into the kitchen, and I'll show you what I did in there. All right, guys, we're still going to the kitchen, but I wanted to show you what I did in the front room. I ended up moving the fiddle leaf fig that was sitting right here because I wanted this to just have its own look, guys. Yes, I'm burning my Smell Good candle, this white locust, guys. This smells so good. So good. Remember, I hauled that for $1 at the Goodwill. But yeah, I just gave it a fresh look to just have it by itself with the TV, with this thing here. So this is how, yeah, it's off. Wait a minute, let me see if I can tone it down. But I got all my plants. I end up putting this one that was right there. I put it here. This is growing out of control, as you can see. But I like how this looks up in the window, y'all. And this is where I put the fiddle leaf fig. And I noticed, guys, look, baby's coming. And then down here, do y'all see the little baby coming right there? Oh my gosh. Yes. So that is what I've done in the front room. And I'm going to take you now into the kitchen. All right, y'all. So y'all should remember I told y'all I was going to move the candle, the wax melt thing. I put it under here where I keep my, I'll show you guys in a minute, but I put it under here where I keep all my cleaning things, and my towels, because I'm not using it right now, and I'll just take it out when I use it so I can have like more clean counter space. But let me show y'all what I did. If you guys remember these two things here, remember this had the soap in it, the soap and the lotion. This had stuff in it underneath here. I'll show you what I did. What I actually done was, let me bring you guys closer. What I done was I took, hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, I put all my my cleaning stuff here, my Zote soap and all my laundry detergent and fabric softener here. This is like Miss Meyer's detergent, and behind it is the freshener. But I used this basket and bought it in here. Put my dish liquid, Dr. Bronner's, you know, things like that in here. My cleaner and glass cleaner and my amber glasses. I put all that stuff in here, and then what is this? Oh, these are fabric softener sheets, Baby Organics, and this is the Autobahn. But yeah, I put the if you guys can see it, the wax melt warmer is right there. But this is lessons. I got one basket. here, and it lessens everything. So I'm able to get rid of 2 baskets. Oh gosh, y'all, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm able to get rid of 2 baskets with 1 basket. So that's all I'm doing here. I'm just trying to out with stuff that I don't need or I think I need and just replace it with one thing. And it just opens up the house so much better. But guys, I have to head out now, and I will come back and I'll see you guys later. Okay? Hold the line, please. Look, guys, praise break right now. Look at the magic. Look at that. Yes, thank you. All right, y'all, I'm back. I was trying to figure out how to work this thing while I'm driving. But yeah, guys, I am going to donate the clothing and the 2 wire baskets, and the vase I'm gonna keep with the pampas grass only because I can sell that. It is home decor. I bought it, and I can recoup my coins and save my coins. So for all of you who are always so negative about, I don't know, I don't think it'd be negative. I just think it'd be, like I said before, a form of other stuff. But oh, then there's a lady here. Now, does she want me to hand her this stuff? Hold on, guys. Let me see if I can give this lady this stuff, and then I'll come right back. Hold the line, please, please, please. Let me give her this stuff. Give, 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 and it should be given back to you. Hello. I want to donate. Have a good day. You're welcome. All right, y'all. So yeah, there's a lady over there. I don't know if you could see her getting the stuff. So yeah. So yeah, guys, it's always better to give away, because if you're not using it, just donate it. I mean, you'll be a blessing in helping someone else who does not have, or who just can't have at the moment because they might be going through something. I think we all have been there. Well, I know I have. I'm not trying to think I'm better than nobody, but I love to give. It feels good. It feels good, especially if somebody else can use the stuff and it's clean and you put it, you know, it's in good condition. Give it to somebody. Let them enjoy it too, okay? So guys, I will see you guys later. I have to get on to work now. Hey guys, I completely almost forgot about y'all. Like seriously, y'all, I done came home. It's going on 4 o'clock. I came home and I tried to take a nap, but I couldn't. So I just ended up making me some, I got some grits here. I did eat an orange this morning and I had my vitamins, but for some odd reason, I just wanted some food. So I made my grits. I got some buttered blueberry toast, and I got some hot chocolate. So y'all already know. Once I eat this, I'm probably gonna go down. But I started watching this. Do y'all remember this movie, When the Bow Breaks? OMG. This movie is so good. I did see it before at the theater, but it's on, I'm watching it on Tubi, so it's a really good movie, y'all. So a lot of suspense, and you kind of like know where the movie is going, but it's a good movie to watch. So if you like movies, it's a good one for you. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead in this video tell you guys goodbye. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. I'm about to protect the rest of this food, and I will see you guys tomorrow, okay?